let's go to the next problem, which is this. Question is, evaluate the Fourier transform of the signal t e power minus mod t, and using that we have to find the Fourier transform of this new signal x1 of t, which is 4t by 1 plus t square whole square. We will take the help of which property? Duality property. Okay, first let us write down e power minus mod t will have what as Fourier transform here. This is looking like e power minus a mod t with a given to be 1. So you will get 2a, a is 1, divided by a square, which is 1, okay, plus omega square. So that would be the Fourier transform of e power minus mod t, but we don't want for this fellow. We want for x of t equal to t times e power minus mod t. So this fellow will have x of j omega as the Fourier transform. Again, which property? This is looking like t times x of t. So that should have j times d by d omega of Fourier transform of e power minus mod t. We got that to be how much? 2 by 1 plus omega square. So this fellow will come here. Okay, yeah, so let us simplify this. Our x of j omega equal to j multiply 2 is common, is a scaling factor, we can bring it out. Derivative of 1 by 1 plus omega square would be minus 1 by 1 plus omega square whole square, and this fellow is multiplied with 2 omega, correct? You have to differentiate again 1 by again 1 plus omega square, which will give you 2 omega square. So this finally can be simplified to 4j omega by 1 plus omega square whole square. Okay, so x of t equal to t times e power minus mod t. So this fellow will have e minus 4j omega by 1 plus omega square whole square as the Fourier transform. Let us call that to be x of j omega. Now using duality property, okay, so using duality property, so what do you get? X of jt, correct? X of jt means what? In x of j omega, replace omega with t. So you get minus 4j t by 1 plus t square whole square. This flow will have what as Fourier transform according to duality property? 2 pi times x of minus omega. So which should be equal to 2 pi multiplied with minus omega e power minus modulus of omega. Why? If we replace t with minus omega, because modulus is there, that minus will go away. Okay, yes, so what is that we have got? We have got minus 4jt by 1 plus t square whole square will have 2 pi times minus omega multiplied with e power minus omega as the Fourier transform. So multiplying with j, multiplying throughout with j. Okay, so multiplying with j. So what do you get? So if you multiply with j, what will happen here? You will get j square, which is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So you will get 4t by 1 plus t square whole square as what? As Fourier transform. Because you multiplied in time domain with j, you have to multiply in frequency domain also with j. So you will get minus j 2 pi omega e power minus mod omega. That would be the Fourier transform of 4t by 1 plus t square. Okay, so in that way we can find the Fourier transform of this signal using which property? Duality property. Okay, right.